Inner Smile Meditation for a healthy mind and body. Restore balance and inner peace. Welcome to this quiet and gentle moment, a time just for you to soften, to breathe, to feel your own inner light. Sit or lie down comfortably. Let your hands rest easily and gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and exhale softly, like a sigh of relief. Once more. Inhale calm. Exhale everything heavy. Feel your awareness settle deep into your belly, your center. This is where peace begins. Today, we will awaken your body with kindness through the ancient Taoist practice of the inner smile. A Taoist master once said, "Water becomes clear when it is still." Just like water, your mind becomes clear when you stop forcing and begin smiling within. This smile is not for the outside world. It is for your heart, your organs, your life force. You don't need to try, just allow. Begin by imagining a gentle smile behind your eyes. Not forced, just soft, relaxed. Like the eyes of someone in love with the world. Let this smile melt through your face. Your jaw loosens. Your shoulders soften. Now let this smile flow into your heart. Feel your heart receive this kindness. Feel it glow with warmth. Like the rising sun touching a quiet landscape. Thank your heart for all it does. Without asking, let it soften, open, shine. Now gently turn your inner smile toward your lungs. Send them light and gratitude. Feel how they welcome your breath again and again. On your inhale, draw in peace. On your exhale, release all heaviness and sorrow. Now bring your awareness to your liver. This strong, wise organ that filters and protects. Let your smile dissolve any tension, any held frustration, as if the light of kindness is softening everything inside. Now smile gently into your kidneys, these quiet guardians of your inner safety. Offer them a sense of calm. Let go of fear. Invite trust. Breathe gently as if rocking them in comfort. Now turn toward your stomach and spleen. Feel your inner smile resting there, like warm hands. Soothing, reassuring. Let go of worry, overthinking, tension. Let yourself feel nourished, cared for, supported from within. And now, feel this smile flowing through your entire body. All the organs, all the spaces between, bathed in golden quiet light. Your whole being is smiling. Now rest in this quiet, glowing space inside you. Feel your body as a home, filled with warmth, ease, and peaceful energy. Thank your breath. Thank your body. Thank your inner light. And when you're ready, take one last deep breath in and gently return, carrying this soft smile with you. Wherever you go today, let this smile remain. Thank you for meditating with me today. I hope this journey brought you peace, clarity, and a gentle sense of renewal. For more moments of calm and inner connection, feel free to subscribe and explore my full library of guided meditations. And if you'd like to take this sense of serenity with you wherever you go, download my app, Relaxa, Relax and Sleep. Wishing you peace, presence, and beautiful stillness. Until next time.